already started.
Unong ay jingmut jong katanat puli puthi ba HM Shangpliang henegasngi ila pentip ba ka Sorkar ka don jingtmu ban siu yaki Tulop jong ki Nonghikai SSA Katkum ka dor balabu. Haba ajing kren ha ka jingyalang bat kumju ke program pinkup buram ha ususut ham auditorium henen gasngi iba Shangpliang iloong ba ya ka file ka badon ya ka jingbu dor jong ka Sorkar ladep ban pha na katanat bat ilaong ru batang syuyop jing menjur na ka Sorkar halor katay on sala ban pelat no ya ka sanpu ar klur tingka ka Tulop syabaro ki Nonghikai SSA. Iloong ba kapisa ban siu ya ka installment ka baa ladep ban pelat mentau benai bat ka jing siu ya katay kapisa sya ki Nonghikai kalaya chat-chat. Hakaway pat kaliang President ka Meghalaya SSA School Association iba Aristotle Rimbai loong ba kiladep ban ay ya ka dorkhas sya ka Sorkar na kabenta ban pinskem kam bat ru
Norms which we were supposed to provide to the SSC teachers. That already is in the process of the file has already moved from the department, and we will shortly, once the government releases that, we should be able to release the 52 crores, the capping salary to all the SSA teachers.
So now the government have already constituted the State Education Commission, and we hope, as highlighted today by our Honorable Special Guest M. Changpiliang, and we hope that this issue, that is regularization of SSA teachers and also the enhancements of our salary, will be addressed by the State Education Commission at the earliest possible.
ka college